Okay, so in this problem, we're going to sketch the quick graph of the function given. So you're just going to draw a quick axis. Okay, so we're going to start with the top function, so x squared plus 1. It's going, and we're only going to look at values for when x is less than -1. So you can either plug in a value for x squared plus 1, but if you know what the graph looks like, it'll be easier. So x squared plus 1, it just starts, the vertex is going to be at 0, 1. So the value for the value is just going to be 1 more than that. So we can graph that. It's going to be a parabola, so it's just going to keep going up from here. The other function, we have 3x plus 1, so the y-intercept is 1, and you use the slope, so up 3 over 1. Then you can also go down 3 over 1. So there's a value at -1. And we can just draw the line. And now they gave us, in this question, they give us limits that we can look for. So we have the limit as x approaches -1 from the negative direction of f of x. And we look at the function, so the function from, we're looking at -1, and we're looking at the function coming from the negative direction, so it's this part. So here the function is approaching this value, which is 2. So here the limit as x approaches -1 of f of x is 2. The next limit they give us is the limit as x approaches -1 from the positive direction of f of x. So now the positive direction is from this direction, and as it approaches -1, the value is -2. Now for the next one, we have the limit as x approaches -1 of f of x. So here we have to use the law of limits. So when limits to one value equal different values, so from the negative value it equals 2, and from the positive side it equals -2. When it's this, the limit does not exist, or DNE for short. Then they give us another one, so the limit as x approaches 1 of f of x. It doesn't give us which direction it's coming from, so we have to look at it from both. So this is 1, and the y value is here. So if it approaches from the negative direction, it approaches y equals 2, and as it is approaching from the positive direction, it's also approaching 2. So the limit of f of x from x, the limit of as x approaches 1 of f of x equals 2. So that's it for this problem.